So this is supposed to be Hubsan clone, came from China, and I'm going to unbox this thing to find out what's inside. I don't know which one Hubsan is this, because description was inconsistent. This package arrived 2.5 months later. I thought it will never arrive. I already got money back from that purchase on the AliExpress. Now I got this thing. So it is total surprise, because it is, I didn't pay for this one. But it's not a story now. I don't know. Officially I don't have to pay anything for this, because this was not delivered in time, and I'm surprised that it is even delivered. But it's here, and what shall I do next? I don't know. So it writes Aviator 6-axis gyro for channel. Everything according to description. And I'm going to find out what is this compared to Hubsan, because I have Hubsan, I have JD385, and now it's time to compare with another version, another clone. Alright, packaging is very similar to Hubsan, or to JD385. Transmitter is just a copy of Hubsan, at least visually it takes 6 batteries. It's very small. If I make the stick smaller, it will be even better. Here's the aircraft, indeed very similar to Hubsan. Let me fetch my Hubsan or 385 to compare this thing. And I'll need batteries too, to make sure this thing actually works. So I'll take batteries from another transmitter, and I don't know where is my Hubsan right now. It is in another room, but here is my JD385. As you can see, this is exact copy, just identical. Yeah, I may even confuse which one is which. If I remove the battery, I will be able to see the board. Well, board seems, well, similar, at least. And we have a charger, we have spare propellers. It's time to have a little flight test to make sure this thing actually works and to compare its performance. Well, for now I'm pretty happy with the package, with everything I see. So I install batteries to try this aircraft. And antenna is probably fake, so I'll remove it if it is. Alright, turn off. Now I need to bind the aircraft. So I just bind it a little. Well, first I connect the battery, turn on the TX. Procedure is exactly like JD385. Well, it has some tilting to the right. And I think it's not as stable as JD385. Yeah, it's more like, you know how it feels. It feels like WO Toys aircraft. I try to trim it now. Yeah, there is dead zone. Slight dead zone. But what I can say, it flies indeed. Different, but it does. Alright, thanks for watching. This was my review of this thing. What's the name of this thing? Aviator. I don't know. Aviator. Alright.